This year's summit offered a unique platform for industry leaders, finance experts, policymakers, and top entrepreneurs. They gathered to share insight, strategies, and success stories with the goal of empowering MSMEs and startups, not only in Nigeria, but also beyond its borders.
So what we need in this country is for policies that are in alignment with the needs of the people, with the needs of the private sector. And that can only happen if our policymakers take time before they release any policy to engage with the private sector, have a dialogue. Like I talked about, we don't want a monologue, we want a dialogue. Come together, let's engage, let's talk about it.
Nigeria's 39 million MSMEs employ over 80% of our workforce and contribute almost half of our GDP. With the right enablers, MSMEs can move from margins to the mainstream.
Panel discussions provided a space to exchange ideas on innovative financing models, digital technologies that can streamline MSME lending, and strategies for reaching underserved segments.
Countries are realizing that the MSMEs are critical, to their national growth, national security, and prosperity. Let's bring it home. How do we make sure that this sector, this critical sector, are contributing their own quota? And for us, we look at the GDP contribution. They contribute almost 80% of the GDP of the economy. So for us, the need to really pay attention to that critical sector of the economy was the rationale. We started the annual MSME and Startup Summit.
The fifth edition of the MSME and Startup Summit also saw representatives and participants from commercial banks, microfinance banks, fintechs, asset managers, insurance companies, capital market players, development finance institutions, regulatory authorities, and policymakers. Oba Adeoye, Arise News, Lagos.